Hi, fifth graders. All right, so here is our first spelling word list. We are going to be spelling words for the first week with the suffix ant or ant. And when a word ends with ant, it is somebody who or something who. So if we look at the word contestant, this means somebody who contests or somebody who is in a contest. Defendant is somebody who defends, right? Assistant is somebody who assists. Brilliant is a little different because of the spelling of the word, but brilliant kind of means something or someone who is able to make it smart or bring it together. Compliant is somebody who complies. Extravagant is somebody who is extra, somebody who does things that are a lot more extra. Ignorant, somebody who ignores. Consonant, it's something that is in a word. So it's a consonant is one of the letters of the alphabet that is not a vowel. Applicant, somebody who applies. All right, let's go ahead and read our word list. And you can definitely practice writing them while I read them to you. You will be taking your first spelling test on Thursday. So you have this weekend to practice your spelling words, and you'll have the week to practice your spelling words. Every Thursday we will have a spelling test. All right. Comic. Number 1 is comic. Number 2, ostrich. Ostrich. Number 3, Connecticut. Connecticut. And notice that it is capitalized because it is a state. So it needs to have a capital letter, just like we are practicing in writing. Number 4, insult. Insult. 5, grumble. Grumble. 6, gallop. Gallop. 7, hurry. 8, distinct. 9, contestant. 10, defendant. 11, assistant. 12, brilliant. 13, compliant. 14, extravagant. 15, ignorant. 16, consonant. 17, applicant. 18, migration. 19, root. And 20, trace. So these are the activities you're going to practice today, during this learning time. Here's sentences that you can practice writing on your own. Here's the actual words that you can practice writing. You will be able to see this in your spelling activities. Alrighty, good luck, fifth grade. Practice those spelling words so that you can get an ace on your Thursday spelling list quiz. You got this, and I will see you guys soon.